What's happening in here? It's like somebody's so happy. Okay.
What did you do?
He was singing the bare necessities. Are you corkboards? That's a terrible way to start a video. So we went back to the Magic Kingdom from like what time did we get there?
7:30.
7:30 till closing. I had a delicious hot dog, and then we went to. What did we do?
We tried to go on Little Mermaid cruise, but it was 45 minutes.
Oh right.
We did the Little Cross.
We went across to Space Mountain.
Little Mermaid.
No, Little Mermaid, Space Mountain, not Autopia. What do we call it? The Speedway. And we did. Mine Train.
Oh, yeah, Mine Train, like 10 minutes.
Jungle Cruise.
And now you put milk on your shoe.
And I spilled almond milk all over the floor. It's clean now, but yeah.
Just face down
So,
too, so it could just keep pouring milk.
So that's how it goes. I'm the only one that drinks it in the family, so I can drink out of the carton, but then I drop the whole carton. So, and that's about it.
Peterson is unleashing that.
So we can't show that way. Yeah, we're getting ready for bed. But it was awesome because we were at Busch all morning and drove all the way here and back. It's been good.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
All right, that's enough for you. Good night. Back at Typhoon Lagoon. I don't know why I started it in the parking lot, but it's all fine.
Typhoon.
Yeah. Typhoon. 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 Yep. We're just here just after opening. So there's actually a bit of a line. People are getting tickets.
Yep.
But yeah, it's a good place. Some of our most fun days are here. Beach life. I hear the waves. There was no screaming in the company.
Probably not a lot of people.
Not a lot of people in the water yet. Not a lot yet. Yeah, we can do oh yeah, we can do those. Yeah, we haven't really done those yet, have we?
We have to go to the back of the water.
Yeah.
Let's find a spot on the beach.
We've done so many half days, right? It's because of our half days. So, yeah. This is only a half day too. So this is where we're at today. A little different, but better access to the bridge and stuff like that. I guess the bathroom's a little ways away, but.
Pardon?
I guess the bathroom is like right here.
I think it's right there.
Yeah.
It's a good spot.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Well, just the one, but yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool.
Put an animatronic in
Yeah.
the water, so.
Hey, Peter, do you trust me now? Why?
Because we're here.
Yep.
We would have had to go all the way around. This is going to be very chilly for a first ride. Misadventure Falls. That's Little Mermaid. Little Mermaid, yeah. Yeah.
I can clarify that is true.
Yeah. Okay. Woo. The ferret's working. What's that?
It's working last time too.
Yeah. It's very steep. I like the massage. It's pretty like you know, you could fly right out of this thing. It's very steep.
What in Triton's name is that wee lassie doing there on the beach? Nay! She's building a sandcastle.
He's Irish?
He's Scottish, I think.
Oh, Scottish welcome.
Proper Scottish. Welcome.
Well, it's hot that sun.
That would be so funny. That's from a Scottish welcome. I have no clue what you just said.
Is it supposed to move?
What's that?
Is that supposed to move? Oh no.
No, I think it maybe used to move, but they just copied the Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
No, I like it. I like it.
It's cool how there's moving stuff.
It's pretty big. Like it goes all the way down that way.
Ready to get soaked?
Yeah.
Oh no. Yep.
Get it splashed in the face. That was so cool. Heads up.
My head is still dry.
That did nothing. I tried to move out of the way and
The
it
dog
just,
will sit.
I tried to move out of the way and it just, I got a big glop right in my face. So. Oh.
No, no.
Okay, another big glob here in the face. That's a lot of water. Oh, and here we go again. Well, we're soaked now, right?
Oh no.
And the splash down. It's always fun.
Here?
Okay, crush and gusher.
Thanks a lot. Enjoy the slide. Hey everybody, and welcome to Crush and Gusher. Please remember that you must be at least 48 inches tall to run. For your safety, please remain seated in the tube and hold on to handles with both hands. When you reach both hands, when you reach the bottom of the slide, please exit by swimming in the stairs. Be careful,
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Have fun.
Ah!
Alright, thumbs up in the woohoo. Alrighty, hang on, here we go.
Mom, what did we just do?
Down the slide?
We did the crush and
Crush and
gusher.
Gusher? All three.
Over there in the distance.
All three of them.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go take the river to the other slide.
Ooh, back.
I'm not so sure that was. I was like. You're self filming it?
No, I just started.
Well, we're in the river heading towards tube slides. So,
Yep.
where we're going. No?
What are we on?
Keel Hall Falls.
Yep. Got the raft.
Yeah.
Line up.
I mean, if you're a little kid, that's pretty thrilling. You know, it's a good starter slide because it's got a little thrill at the end. I don't know, I find it relaxing. I like that one. Sure, we need, Mom and I need sunscreen, so.
Look at how happy you are.
What you got there?
Water. Okay, are you going to get a drink, I guess?
Okay, we're heading back out. One wave just went. Oh, Peter and Ava are just ahead. Okay, now the current's taking me back out. That's good. Never gonna catch these guys. Woo! There's a big build-up and there's no wave. Oh, here they come.
Yep. These waves are nothing.
Yeah, they build up pretty good. This is it. Okay, time to get a refill on the soda. But I need to use the facility I was already because I was drinking too much soda.
What do we want?
Mr. Pibb. It's like Dr. Pepper. There's Bargs. There's orange Fanta. Sure. Not extra.
Oh.
Ooh, cherries gone. You got it to the left, bud. You're. What are you doing? Okay.
There's no regular.
Coke. Coke or orange Fanta, one or the other. Minute Maid. More. Adventure Falls. Oh, that's the massage rollers. Whoa. That one I got in the ankle. That wasn't so nice.
Aye, aye, my bonny lass. Today be the day. Our chest of doubloons is finally gonna drop.
That's the richest pair ever. They should make a movie out of that.
It's hot up here.
Look at the guy finally finished.
Oh, they were stuck on here, yeah.
Everything else is gone. What a waste.
What's that?
All the rest of this rating is gone.
The penguin.
Jehoshaphat.
He's doing it again.
Yeah, he's got, you know, probably enjoys it. Skywriting's a skill, you know. Alright, here we go. Freezing cold.
Oh, it's so
Here's the drop. This one's the worst.
Yes, I don't. Right under it.
You tried to dodge. You fool. What a fool you were. Stay seated. There we go with that fall. That's pretty get the sides, Ava. Oh, it's gonna fall. Don't scoop it. Lick it. Lick it.
Use your mouth.
Okay, come stand over. Go under the shade there. Find the table. Yeah.
Ava, you know in movies when like
I'm just surprised she was so annoyed at me asking.
Like, how was she annoyed?
Well, at first the one grabbed these like little Dixie cups, and I was like, that's not gonna help. And I was like, can I get 2 of those clear plastic ones? And that's what I asked for originally. I was really, she's like, okay. Never had a Disney.
Like they count them all.
I've never had a Disney person give me attitude for something like that before. But this is like, you need it because it'll never stay on top of the cone, right? Like.
How is it? Is this Dole like pineapple?
Yeah, it's the raspberry Dole Whip and
White looking.
looks pretty good. I'll try some. Try it. Oh, that's good. Ooh, jet, yay! Although, I don't want to catch those people, so.
Oh yeah.
Blizzard Beach open. Peter, you're holding up the thing. You give up? You're holding up the thing.
There's a waterfall splash pad over here. So it's all filled in, but I didn't realize that was still going on. It's kind of cool. It's very hot back here. See, towards the south. Number 5.
Usually it would be like $70. We drank like $70 of pop today.
Wow. I should have put some ice in it.
Yeah, I forgot. Should I put ice in it?
Go put some ice in it. So that was our day. Now we're on to go to the hotel. Yeah, it's half the day. So we'll go to the hotel, have a bit of a rest, eat some dinner, and then we'll be off to Epcot.
Been here for like 6 hours.
Yeah, I'm tired. We did a lot. There's the exit. No, it's 10 to 3. 10 to 3, yeah.
So like 5 hours?
We got here at 10.
4.5?
Yeah. Back at Epcot after a rest.
After a rest, speaking of rest, can we go to the bathroom?
Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna do regular car.
We did that before, and we didn't finish our trip.
Okay. Nailed it.
Oh no, it's horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, try bringing it to 2. That's pretty ugly.
There we go.
Yeah. It's not very keepable.
Actually, it looks kind of cool.
Yeah. Maybe give it a really like low.
Little small butt.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Like
Let's shorten this thing out.
really short.
No, a little bit of length is good. Let's make it super wide.
I think we already did wide, so we should make it thin.
Make it narrow. Why can't I see? Okay.
Let's make it really solar.
Solar drive. Let's
just
make
do
it electric.
hybrid.
It's, okay. Yeah, that's good.
Face.
Is that? Brown.
We do it really.
Brown.
How about like pink? Yeah, that's pretty ugly.
Do brown.
That's perfect.
So, hang on. Size, wheel size. Let's bring them way down. Oh no, way down, way down. Yeah, there you go. And then just the grossest looking dumb things you can find. No. I like, you gotta find just like ugly ones.
Yeah. Well, those are pretty ugly.
Those look too good. Let's just get the the old fashioned ones. Those. That is like it's hideous.
It's perfect.
Yeah, there you go. Accessories. I think we'll forego that. What do we got? Nah. It's too much. What is that? What is that? I don't think I want anything on the top. Is that an air conditioner?
That looks pretty ugly.
Sure. tail.
That spiky one's pretty It's like a coach.
Spinner looks like a droid.
Here, wait, go back. No, wait. Go to You need to give it some graphics.
No graphics.
That's pretty good.
Okay. Why doesn't it let me?
That looks so good. Is that good? It's
pretty good.
That
Peter's
thing's
is pretty
not
good.
aerodynamic at all. Yours is like the opposite of aerodynamic.
Driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar.
OnStar. Connecting to OnStar.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. V2 EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Vapor spectrum imaging in progress. Calculating total environment impact.
Mine was a nice healthy 58.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Oh, so bumpy. There it is. Pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. Got soaring time. Got our popcorn.
Yep.
Yeah. It says 20 minutes. Doesn't look like 20 minutes.
It's not at all.
No. We'll see.
What's Soren? I thought
Space. This thing should be spinning. It's not. Why is that spinning?
We strongly encourage you to select Green Team, less intense training. Or
We're in the flight simulator. It's pretty cool in here though. I like all the buttons. I like the breeze you get too.
Yeah.
Alright, they don't have the doors open. So. Alright. It's just us. Wow. Well, they're just going over the pre-show and got a relay.
Welcome.
to the International
Pretty sweet.
Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the sequence.
We're back
And for
in
landing, activate manual
less
control.
intense training.
Loading flight plan.
And we got the whole thing.
Engineer, just a reminder. You will activate the
I'll
flight
have to do
cameras
all
when we
the
reach
extra
altitude.
bits.
You will also extend the wings for landing.
We'll see how it goes.
Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission Control to X2. You are go and throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now.
Yeah.
Being at one of the tables?
Yeah.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah.
And you note, and we're on the non-taco side. So.
Epcot World Travelers.
We call it Epcot. EPCOP. Experimental, both science, community, of tomorrow.
That's pretty cool. On our way out into the crowd. Ball looks great though.